Modern machining. A CNC lathe machine, or computer numerical control lathe machine, is a machine tool that is controlled by a computer program. This machine tool is used to shape, cut, and turn a variety of materials, including metal, wood, and plastics. To program a CNC lathe machine, you will need to follow these steps. 1. Create a design. You will need to create a design. Using CAD/CAM software, this design will be used to create the tool path for the CNC lathe machine. 2. Convert the design. Once the design is complete, you will need to convert it into a format that the CNC lathe machine can understand. This is typically done using a software program called a post-processor. 3. Load the program. Once the design has been converted into a format that the CNC lathe machine can understand, you will need to load the program onto the machine. 4. Set the machine. You will then need to set up the machine, including the tooling, the workpiece, and the cutting parameters. 5. Run the program. Once the machine is set up, you can run the program. The CNC lathe machine will then automatically cut and shape the workpiece based on the tool path created in the design. It is important to note that programming a CNC lathe machine can be complex and require specialized skills. It is recommended that you receive training and practice before attempting to program a CNC lathe machine on your own. Modern machining. Mastercam X5. Mastercam X5 is a CAD/CAM software program that is commonly used for programming CNC lathe machines. Here are the basic steps for programming a CNC lathe machine using Mastercam X5. 1. Create a new file. Open Mastercam X5 and create a new file. Set the units to the appropriate measurement system, e.g. inches or millimeters. 2. Draw the part. Use the drawing tools in Mastercam X5. To create the part you want to machine, you can create 2D or 3D designs. 3. Select the lathe toolpath. In the Toolpaths tab, select the lathe toolpath. This will allow you to create the toolpath for the CNC lathe machine. 4. Set the machining parameters. Set the machining parameters, such as the cutting speed, feed rate, and depth of cut. These parameters will vary depending on the material you are machining and the tool you are using. 5. Create the toolpath. Use Mastercam X5's toolpath creation tools to create the toolpath for the lathe machine. This will involve selecting the tool, the cutting direction, and the cutting path. 6. Simulate the toolpath. Use Mastercam X5 simulation tools to simulate the toolpath and check for any errors or collisions. 7. Export the program. Once the toolpath has been created and verified, you can export the program in a format that the CNC lathe machine can understand, e.g. G-code. It is important to note that programming a CNC lathe machine requires knowledge of both the machine and the software program being used. It is recommended that you receive training and practice before attempting to program a CNC lathe machine on your own. Using Mastercam X5,